Today, we're going to tell you about the 2024 Toyota Tundra pickup truck, which is Toyota's most unique model. That is available in both hybrid and non-hybrid trim. And this brand, new Toyota Tundra pickup truck now comes with a plethora of cutting-edge safety and convenience features. In addition, Toyota Motors has included non-hybrid trims with a 3.5-liter V6 engine and hybrid trims of the upcoming Toyota Tundra with an iForce Max twin turbo V6 engine that generates 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, which has a power output of 479 lb-ft of torque and 389 horsepower. However, when it comes to speed, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. Before getting into this amazing video, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. What to expect from the 2024 Toyota Tundra: design and exterior technology, powertrain options, interior comfort and quality, towing and hauling capabilities, off-road capabilities, fuel efficiency, and safety features. Design and exterior. The design of the 2024 Toyota Tundra upends expectations by skillfully fusing modernity with its hardy past. Redesigned headlights and a powerful front grille exude sophistication. Its sculpted silhouette embodies dynamism and versatility by fusing aesthetics and aerodynamics. Its powerful frame and three-dimensional presence are highlighted by thoughtfully placed character lines. A refined driving experience is provided inside thanks to high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and simple controls. The Tundra's design tells a story of evolution, innovation, and Toyota's dedication to excellence in addition to being aesthetically pleasing. The 2024 Tundra merges tradition and the future as it presides over roads as a representation of advancement in the automotive industry. Are you still connected with us? Let me remind you, please subscribe our channel, Top4cars. Technology. The Toyota Tundra from 2024 is an example of the cutting-edge engineering that characterizes contemporary automotive innovation. This vehicle, which boasts a number of cutting-edge features, is a prime example of Toyota's dedication to improving the driving experience. An easy-to-use infotainment system integrates connectivity and entertainment inside the vehicle, and driver assistance technologies improve convenience and safety. Modern engineering under the hood, possibly with hybrid or electrified powertrain options that balance performance and efficiency, shows that the technology of the Tundra extends beyond the interior. The 2024 Tundra is a remarkable example of how technology is driving the evolution of automobiles and promises a dynamic and connected journey on tomorrow's roads, thanks to its fusion of high-end in-cabin amenities and forward-thinking engineering. Powertrain options. A variety of cutting-edge powertrain options for the Toyota Tundra in 2024 are expected to redefine performance and efficiency. Toyota's commitment to innovation raises the possibility of changes to its engine lineup, bringing more power and better fuel efficiency. The Tundra may also adopt the industry's move towards electrification by introducing hybrid or even all-electric models. These powertrain choices could meet a range of driving requirements as well as the rising demand for environmentally friendly solutions. Toyota's dedication to remaining at the forefront of automotive technology will be demonstrated by the powertrain options available in the Tundra, which provide drivers with a seamless balance of strength, efficiency, and environmental awareness for the road ahead. Interior comfort and quality. A remarkable fusion of comfort and quality is promised for the interior of the 2024 Toyota Tundra, which will raise the bar for automobile opulence. The cabin's premium materials and meticulous attention to detail are designed to surround passengers in a sense of luxury and sophistication. Every element of the interior exudes a sense of modernity and convenience, from plush seating to carefully placed controls. Toyota's dedication to improving the driving experience is demonstrated by the seamless connectivity and entertainment options provided by cutting-edge technology. The interior of the Tundra offers a haven of comfort where ergonomic design and high-quality materials come together to create a space that elevates every drive into an extraordinary experience, whether setting out on a cross-country journey or navigating city streets. Towing and hauling capabilities. The 2024 Toyota Tundra interior embodies Toyota's commitment to utility and performance with its unwavering focus on towing and hauling capabilities. The interior includes a variety of simple features that make towing and hauling tasks easier. It is designed to easily accommodate both heavy loads and necessary equipment. The Tundra offers a smooth transition between work and play thanks to thoughtfully designed storage options and adaptable cargo spaces. Every interior feature is designed to support demanding towing and hauling tasks, from the sturdy materials used in construction to the ergonomic layout of controls. The interior of the 2024 Tundra is more than just a cabin. It's a dynamic workspace that gives drivers the confidence to take on difficult tasks, making it a true companion. Off-road capabilities. The 2024 Toyota Tundra epitomizes the spirit of exploration and adventure, standing as a testament to its off-road prowess. This model, which was painstakingly assembled, is designed to easily traverse difficult terrain. The Tundra's off-road capabilities are created to provide the best traction and stability, guaranteeing a confident journey on untamed paths. This includes specialized suspension systems and tough off-road tire. It is prepared to travel over uneven terrain, thanks to features like skid plates and increased ground clearance. The 2024 Tundra's off-road abilities are proof of Toyota's dedication to offering a superior driving experience that empowers drivers to embrace the extraordinary and travel through remote trails or go on wilderness expeditions. Fuel efficiency. The industry's push for sustainability and top performance is reflected in the 2024 Toyota Tundra's significant improvement in fuel efficiency. The Tundra embraces cutting-edge technologies intended to maximize fuel efficiency while maintaining its impressive power. The 2024 Tundra is an example of Toyota's commitment to minimizing environmental impact without compromising capability, with potential improvements in engine efficiency and possibly even hybrid powertrain options. This dedication to fuel economy not only results in lower emissions, but also gives drivers the benefit of fewer trips to the petrol station. The 2024 Tundra exemplifies Toyota's vision for a greener future where cars are not only powerful but also considerate of the environment by striking a balance between power and efficiency. Safety features. The Toyota Tundra of 2024 places a steadfast focus on safety and includes a variety of cutting-edge features that redefine driver and passenger security. The Tundra is equipped with sophisticated airbag systems and cutting-edge driver assistance technologies to offer a safe haven on the road. The Tundra actively helps drivers avoid potential hazards with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Toyota uses high-strength materials in its construction to improve structural integrity in collisions as part of its commitment to safety. Beyond mere innovation, the 2024 Tundra's safety features demonstrate Toyota's commitment to giving drivers and passengers peace of mind and making every journey a secure one.